Hello, my name is Nitin Channa, and in my family we are three, and we all stay in Pune. And I'm supportive with my wife Purva, and he is our only son, Yom Channa. Professionally, I'm a mechanical engineer, and I hail from Punjab. I completed all my study from Punjab, and my wife, she's ME in computers, currently a homemaker. My son, he is in Europe kids, and he is in nursery class.
We lived in the nuclear family, so we want our kid to be more social, more connecting with the people. As he born in the COVID times, he is not that much social.
So we learned about Eurokids through our family in our building, and through them we approached the school. So and we liked the staff, we liked the administration, we liked people,
Curriculum.
and the same way we selected us.
They make our child independent. In playgroup, they are building some schedules, they are building the meal plans. That was really nice. जब वो बच्चे सारे एक साथ बैठते हैं और वो देखते हैं एक दूसरे को खाते हुए, तो वो धीरे धीरे बच्चा खुद से खाना स्टार्ट करता है. प्ले ग्रुप में बच्चों को खाना नहीं आता है किससे, तो वो दीदी या मैम फीड करते होंगे. इनिशियली था कि वो नहीं खाता था, वो हम लोग पैम्पर करते हैं क्योंकि हमारा ओनली चाइल्ड है, तो हम उसको पैम्पर करते हैं खिलाने के लिए हर चीज़. पर स्कूल जाने से ये हो गया कि हम एक चीज़ देते हैं, वो एक चीज़ फिनिश करता है. ही सीज डिफरेंट थिंग्स इन अदर टिफिन्स and he want to eat that. When he came at the home, he tell us, "Mama, give me the roll." कब स्कूल से खाना, खुद से खाना, हर चीज़. और सबसे मेन बात है कि now he telling us, "Mama, I want to eat. I want to eat that food. I want to eat that vegetable. Different vegetables." एक और ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन अगर मैं बोलूँ तो वो टॉयज को फेंकता नहीं है स्कूल्स में, क्योंकि प्ले ग्रुप में सिखाते हैं मैम लेगोज बिल्डअप करना और इट्स डिफरेंट बिल्डिंग जो ब्लॉक से खेलना, तो उससे उनका इंटरेक्टिव माइंड भी सेटअप हो रहा है. तो हमें ये सब चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा व्योम में दिख रही. तो अब नर्सरी में आ गए तो आई थिंक उनको स्कूल में शेड्यूलिंग पढ़ाई जा रही है कि एक शेड्यूल होता है हर चीज़ का, एक रूटीन होता है. मीन्स जब वो बच्चा स्कूल जाता है, देयर इज सम प्रेयर्स टाइम, देन सम प्ले टाइम, देन स्टडी टाइम, देन कलरिंग टाइम, देन मील्स टाइम. सो वो सब उसको पता है, तो सेम ही इज इम्प्लीमेंटेड एट द होम. Mama, now I will eat this, then I will play, then I will sleep, then I wake up. Actually उसको स्कूल से ये सारी चीज़ें ज़्यादा पता चली है. तो एक्चुअली स्कूल जाने से बच्चे के टेंट्रम्स कम हो जाते हैं, जो कि वो होम में ज़्यादा करता है एक्चुअली, स्पेशली इन फ्रंट ऑफ द पेरेंट्स. उसको वो सब बिहेवियर समझ में आता है कि किससे क्या बात करनी चाहिए, हेलो करना चाहिए, हाई करना चाहिए. एक्चुअली वो उसको स्कूल में, प्री स्कूल में बहुत उसको हेल्प किया है इस चीज़ को, और स्मार्ट बनाया है एक्चुअली. And also one thing is because of the school, he likes the holistic environment. He start playing that whatever ma'am doing in that particular day at the home, he comes and do the same thing with the home stuff. Soft gym is they are building with the pillows and what, and he is doing what, Mama, I will tell you what I done today at the school in the gym. That is really a good change in him. Now he is small, but he knows the name of very difficult vegetables also. And now he knows ample names of the vegetables and the fruits. Not only the names, but also the pictures. What I am telling him now in nursery, right? What the words they are giving him every day. They are sending some cards. In that there is some difficult word. One difficult word I tell you, that is the interrupt. It's really difficult for the nursery kid, but when that word came in my home, I tell him, what is interrupt? आपको पता है interrupt क्या होता है? Mama, yes. मैंने कैसे? From the picture he tells me that Mama, teacher पढ़ा रही है and हम पढ़ाने नहीं देते मैम को, so ma'am get interrupted. That's really difficult for the nursery kid. How means I think when first, second or third, I don't know when I know the meaning of that word, but now he knows that word. It's really nice. Means they are building the vocabulary as well as not only the vocabulary but the meaning is also important. Meaning as well as how he can use that word in our daily life. And he has also started building the stories. Yes, that is the main difference we are seeing in him from playgroup to nursing. Now he is building his own stories. And every event of the home or the school, he built this story and tell us.